you're on a diet. And मुझे इतनी नफरत होती है ना जब लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, diet is nothing but the food that you eat, right? So मेरा दिन शुरू होता है with hot water, and then I have some sort of a cinnamon water or haldi water or something, and then I have like 5 soaked almonds and 1 soaked walnut, and I have my ghee coffee. So it depends. If I'm doing cardio intensive workout, तो मैं nuts नहीं खाऊंगी, because then I'll do like an empty stomach sort of a workout. If I'm doing heavy strength where I know I sort of need to start my metabolism, then I'll have those nuts and then have my ghee coffee and workout. Depending on when I finish my workout, या तो फिर मेरा smoothie होता है, protein smoothie, या फिर I do a heavy breakfast, again depending on the intensity of the training, which would be eggs with poha or with the sprouts का चीला. That is my current favorite, क्योंकि उसमें carbs कम हो जाती है, protein बढ़ जाती है, so I really like it. With some anda bhurji. Lunch generally would be either rice or jawar roti with sabzi and some form of protein, which is your either fish or chicken, if I'm not vegetarian that day. Then around my snack, again it changes from day to day, but largely around my snack 4:35, I like to either have like a protein chia pudding if I've not had my protein shake in the morning, and I don't do 2 shakes. So agar wo kha liya hai, then I will have some fruit and yogurt separately, never mix them and have them, digestive issues, or some peanut butter toast if I'm still on a shoot and I need that carb in the evening, or some nuts. And then dinner, I finish early. I try to finish my dinner by 7. And that's largely, again, some form of carb, but lesser carb than afternoon, and protein and sabzi.
पानी कितना पीते हो दिन में?
3 से 4 लीटर. 1.5 लीटर तो मेरा वर्कआउट में खत्म हो जाता है. So what I do is I add pink salt and lemon. So instead of taking BCA, or I have nothing against, I also take certain days जब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है, but largely मैं एक natural electrolyte type बना लेती हूँ with Himalayan salt, pink salt and नींबू, and I have that during my training.
Okay. 4 truths about exercise जो आपको इतने सालों की एक्सरसाइज के बाद पता चले.
Lot of exercise can never outdo a bad diet. First and foremost, लोगों को लगता है ना कल निकाल देना, ऐसा नहीं होता है कल निकाल देना, ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. Second, exercise is only 10 to 20% of how you look. 80% is food. 80% is your lifestyle, not just food. It's food, sleep, thoughts, stress, cortisol, all of that. Third, women should work out, but women should also be very careful of cycle syncing. This conversation has begun now, and I'm so grateful. Like, I feel nice when people are aware about it, because a woman cannot train the same way on every day of the month, because we are not we are infradian beings. We have a different hormonal level every day, right? And you have 4 phases in a month, so you have to be aware of what phase you're in. और अगर आप अपने period से हफ्ता 10 दिन पहले हो, then do not become like a athletic workout person. Then be easy. And again, body to body, it's different. Huh? For me, like, it's different. For another person, it might be different. So be in sync with your hormones, because that's what's causing so much PCOS and endometriosis and so many things.
एक और exercise से related.
Exercise से related. Strength training is very, very, very important. Women feel that strength training करने से उनकी muscles बन जाएंगी. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, because we do not have so much testosterone in our body, and we need lean muscle. You know, as you age, your muscle mass is reducing every year, like post 35-40, and you need to keep that for like healthy bones, healthy structure, healthy posture. So please strength train. Nothing beats strength.
3 truths about periods and fitness.
Don't overload on your workouts in the last week of, like, a week before your period and on the first 2 days, because your body is already stressed. And अगर मैं scientifically बोलने लग जाऊँ तो आपका प्रोजेस्टेरॉन ऑलरेडी ऊपर होता है, जो कॉर्टिसोल को ऊपर लेके जाता है.
Damn, Rocco.
So आ जाएगा हमको half doctor. नहीं बोलना चाहिए मुझे doctors. But like, you know, because I've healed myself, I know that. So you should not overtrain in that time. Also, there is, you said 3, na? Don't do ab workouts on the first 2-3 days of your period. Do not. Again, with certain cases, when people have painful periods, then you stop 2 days before. It could be a case of, a specific case. And third, you need a little more food. So it's not that as women we can never restrict ourselves with a specific कि मैं 1200 calorie diet पे हूँ या मैं 1500 calorie diet पे हूँ. Your hormones require more food, and when you're in your luteal phase, which is the 15 days before your period, your body naturally is burning more, you're warmer, your metabolism is higher, you need little more food. So don't try and go off carbs in that phase ever. मतलब I don't understand off carbs, but अगर कोई कर भी रहा है तो उस टाइम पे तो मत जा.
Okay, 4 truths about fitness related to growing older.
Strength train, because if you strength train, then muscle. Also keep a check on your vitamins. I feel like a lot of people don't, and hormones also. So third is hormones. तो मेरे points कम होंगे. Second is vitamins, because your bone, your agility, all of that, right? Your calcium, magnesium, that a lot of people don't talk about. Very, very, very important. Third, your hormone levels. We as women don't know our hormones only. We don't know that good amount of estrogen in your body is responsible for healthy skin and hair, and for elasticity of your skin, your collagen, all of that. So keep your hormones in check. And aging and fitness.
Flexibility?
Yeah. Flexibility. Some sort of yoga. And aging also is your thoughts. The happier you are, the younger you feel. See, whatever you're feeling inside is going to reflect on the outside.
दोस्तों ऐसे ही